As one of the most precision components of the iPhone, Face ID has always been a problem for iPhone repair. Traditional chip solution and flex cable solution require disassembling crystal, soldering, and even jumping wires. The repair operation is difficult and requires a high level of technique. In this video, we will introduce the new Face ID repair solution that require no crystal disassembling, no soldering and no alignment. This solution is currently applied to iPhone X-12 series, Face ID failure problem caused by dot projector fusion. First, turn on the phone to check Face ID. It shows a problem was detected with the true depth camera. Face ID has been disabled. Dial the number to test the proximity sensor. Flood illuminator works properly. Open the camera's portrait mode. It shows move farther away when focus. Accordingly, we can make a preliminary judgment. It is the dot projector fusion that causes the Face ID failure. Next, place the phone screen face down on top of the heating pad to heat it up. Lift up the screen with a screen opener. Remove the screws from the bracket. After taking the screen off, remove the battery and next remove Face ID. Putting the battery and screen back into the phone, and connect the phone to the computer. Connect Face ID to the programmer for testing. The results show that the dot projector was fused. It could be repaired with the latest solution. Back up the dot projector information and connect the programmer to the high voltage power cable. Click Activate and wait for the activation to complete. Snap the dot projector cable onto the programmer, and write in the data previously backed up. Remove the dot projector cable, and snap the Face ID. Pay attention to the way of folding. Do not damage to the cable. Connect the Face ID to the programmer again to test. The test result is normal. Putting the Face ID back to the phone and install the battery and screen. Turn the phone on to test. The Face ID can be set normally and unlocked successfully. These are the latest Face ID repair solutions shared. As the solution is easy and requires no soldering, Level 2 technicians can fix complex Face ID problems now. If you are interested in this solution, please feel free to contact our account managers. We offer a full range of tools and technical support for Face ID repair. Thanks for watching.